Hi. The first thing I'd like to introduce to you is this large Buddha statue. This is called the Nihonji Daibutsu. It is famous as the largest sitting Buddha in Japan. There are foreign tourists nearby, so I would like to interview them. Let's go. Hi. This is a very large Buddha called Nihonji Daibutsu.
Oh, Nihonji Daibutsu.
This giant Buddha is much bigger than me.
That not even worth discussing. I'm George.
I'm Mark.
George and Mark. I'm Kanata. Thank you for taking the interview. I reached the top of the mountain. I'm very tired, but I feel so good. If you go there, you can see the famous Jigoku Nozoki. I would like to go there later. The view from Jigoku Nozoki is the best, but you can also see some amazing views from here. Hi. I came close to Jigoku Nozoki. If you look at it like this, you can see that it has a strange shape. It looks like it's about to collapse at any moment. Jigoku means hell in English. And Nozoki means to peek in English. If you go there, you can look into hell. It's a little scary, but I'm looking forward to seeing the beautiful scenery. We will deliver the best images to everyone. Let's go. I came to take a Jigoku Nozoki. It's a miracle that I'm still standing here. As you can see, the scenery is spectacular. You can enjoy the magnificent nature of Chiba. You should come here and experience it too. So let's have a look at the beautiful video. Hi.
Hi.
Where are you from?
Spain.
Oh, Spain. Football is famous.
Yes. Football.
What your name?
My name is Ismail.
Yeah, Ismail. I'm Kanata. This place is called Nokojiriyama. It's so beautiful here. It's packed with the charm of Chiba. It's a place I really like. Thank you for your cooperation. Have a nice day. Hi. This is a large Buddha named Shaken Hanzo. Usually, the great Buddha is seated, but it is very rare to see a great Buddha lying down like this. The reason why it is sleeping is that it means that this great Buddha is dead. It was my first time to see a sleeping giant Buddha, so I had a strange feeling when I saw this. This rare great Buddha can be seen in Tateyama City, Chiba Prefecture. Please come here. The next location is a small island in Chiba. This is an uninhabited island called Okinoshima, and many tourists visit it because of its spectacular views. It's nice to be able to walk to the island. I will now go inside the island and deliver the best footage to you all. I'm looking forward to it. Let's go. What did you think? Although it is a small island, there is no doubt that it is a very relaxing place with a lot of nature. If the weather and luck are good, you can see Mount Fuji from here. There is also a small cave, which is recommended for taking beautiful photos and videos. This wonderful island is located in Chiba Prefecture. Everyone, please come to Okinoshima in Tateyama City, Chiba Prefecture and have a valuable experience. Next is this beautiful temple. It is a temple called Gaki Kanon. Gaki means cliff in English. Therefore, as the name suggests, it refers to a temple located on a cliff. As you can see in the video, the temple is located on a cliff, so you can have the unique experience of seeing the temple from below. The view from the temple after climbing the stairs was very beautiful. This beautiful temple is also located in Chiba Prefecture. Please come to Tateyama City, Chiba Prefecture. The next spot will be the last. We will bring you the best footage, so please look forward to it. Let's go. This will be the last spot. This is a pier called Harioka Pier. Of all the spots I introduced today, this is the one I recommend the most. The pier extending from the coast offers a fantastic view. If the weather is nice, you can see Mount Fuji turning red. At night, the street lamps on the pier are illuminated, creating a more romantic atmosphere. It is located here in Minamiboso City, Chiba Prefecture. Please come.